Okay, this time round in this recording, we're actually going to create a whole new contact page. So we have this contact page here, but we don't want to use this. We want a new page. So I'm going to take you through the steps of creating a new page. We want to go now and click up into the dashboard. We're in the dashboard here. And another good thing to do whenever you come in here, if you happen to see it, is we do want to click on these update now. They're important to keep up to date and it keeps your website secure. So these are being updated as we wait. But while we're waiting, we can go over here and we can see that we've got our pages. And in our pages, in just a moment, as soon as that update is done, we'll be able to click on Add New Page. But we've got to wait until the updates have completed. Okay, the updates have completed. We can now go over to Pages and click on Add New Page. This will take us into the general WordPress page creator. And we'll call this one Contact Me. We'll assume that this is you on your website, so we can type in Contact Me. Helps if I spell it right, Contact Me. And we could just save as a draft, but generally I go straight to Publish. I like to do things quickly, so we'll go click on Publish, click on Publish again. We now have the Contact Me page. We can go straight away into editing with Divi. But while we're editing with Divi, what we can also do is go back and go to the dashboard again. So now we have two dashboards open. We've got a dashboard open here. Oh, no, we've got a dashboard open here. And there's the Contact Me page. Okay, so back to the Contact Me page. We have the ability to start building, but let's browse layouts. Now, one of the things that you will want to do as you get more proficient with working with Divi is choose a layout that is meeting your needs. We have a lot of layouts. The idea is that you will choose a singular layout that you really like, and you'll always use that layout. So if you were to choose this layout, we can adapt the various parts of this layout as time goes on to your needs. But we wouldn't want to mix and match layouts that can start to make the website look untidy. So the website that we're currently using is a golf layout. So if I go down here and I type in the word golf, I know that the layout that I'm using are these ones here. So I could use this contact us page, but let's look at a different set of layouts. Let's go to, I don't know, lifestyle. So here are some lifestyle ones. Let's do, yeah, so there's the golf one again. This is the one that I'm using for my website. Let's look and see which one we would like. We'll try this one. And here we've got a number of pages we can use. And you'll see that there is a contact page on here. So let's go ahead and use this contact page. So we can click on the contact page and we can tell it to replace the existing content. Use this layout. So now what happens is this goes away and it starts to build the page for you. Almost done. Loading, and here we are. So here is a contact page. Not a bad word, collaborating. So you can go into this. We can open up the layers button. We can open close all. Now we see everything in here. I'll go over the structure of this with you for a little bit. What we have in here is we start off with sections. Here's a section. Here's a section. Here's another section, and here's a footer section. Now we don't need the footer section because your website has a footer, so we can go ahead straight away and delete that. So we've got three sections: a header, an image, and a contact form. So let's have a look here. We can go and open close all. We could go in here, and here we have the various modules. So as an example in here, we can go into the text. Now sometimes when you're going into a module, you click on the text, the little sun button, it takes you to the item, but it doesn't go in. You've got to take your mouse away, bring your mouse back, and click a second time, and now it opens. So I could go in here and I could say, doing interesting things and with interesting people. Doing interesting things with interesting people. Spell check. Collaborating. Why doesn't it not like collabo? Huh. They obviously made a spelling mistake themselves. Okay. Collaborating. Doing. And we'll change that to capital C as well. Doing interesting. No, we'll keep it with interesting. Okay. So here we are here. Again, we can go down into the second one, which is this other text, and we can change the email address. So you could go in here and type in your email address and save that. We can go into this one here, which is the social media, and you can go into this and you can change these social medias to reflect you. You can put your Facebook link in here. You could put your X link in here if you happen to use X. Here's our Instagram. I think a lot of you will be using Instagram, so we can go into the little cog. There's the name of the social media, Instagram. You can change this to anything, actually, but we'll keep it at Instagram because that's what this one is doing. We go into this link area, and we put the link to your Instagram account. So that's all good. And save. Again, save. What we want to do is we want to change the photo. Now, this could be a bit of fun. Where does this photo live? Is it this one? It is. Sometimes the photos can be in the background. So let's grab this. And we want a new photo. Obviously, you would get your photo together. So this photo, if I click on it, it tells me that it's 1,000 pixels by 1,232. Okay, so you want to get a picture of similar size, but I'll get it a bit smaller than this because we're only viewing it at about 600. So if you got 600 by 700, that would most likely be a fine size. So let's just see if I've got any portraits in here that I can use. There's a portrait of me. So this one is much larger. So if let's use this one, see what happens. Image. Wait for it to come up. There it is. And so there's a picture of me, and you'll notice too that the image moves around a little bit. You could go into here. This is only a picture, so you could find a really nice picture of, say, you and your staff members, whatever. Down into here, contact. So now this contact form can give your website the capacity to send you an email. So let's go down, and it's not the text because when I highlight the text, that's what comes up. There's the contact form. So let's go into this contact form, and we want to put your email address in here. And we might even want to turn on spam protection, the simple one. And now there's a simple little equation they have to work out. We can go ahead and go save. So now effectively, in just a very short few minutes, you have a new contact page. Okay, so this is all done. We can exit the Visual Builder. Now we've gone to the dashboard over here on another tab. We're still in the same website. What we want to do here is we want to go to Appearance, and under Appearance we want to go to Menus. Menus gives us the options of changing things around. So here's that contact me that I had just made a second ago. I want to add it to this menu. See the top menu here. Now that is here in the menu. I want to take this search item and put it with this. So you can see how I've moved it down. I want to get rid of the contact us, remove. I want to save. And now if I go back to the Force Staff website, you'll see that it now says contact me, not contact us. I click on contact me and I have the new contact page. Now that was pretty quick. I suggest that you watch the video a couple of times. You can pause the video as you're doing this so that you can learn how to do this yourself, and you have a new contact page.